Hi, this is Chongsu the Physio. Today I'm standing on Carlton Hill, one of the very famous Edinburgh hills. So here I'm going to do some physio exercise for you. It's a particularly refreshing, cold weather. Once a famous Buddhist monk said, mountain is mountain and weather is weather. It's really up to you whether it's a bloody cold weather or it's a nice, refreshing weather. Thanks to our knees, we go running, walking, jumping, bike riding. You're doing a lot of sports, having fun. On the other hand, that means if you have a pain in your knee, you won't be able to enjoy many of those activities. So what causes knee pain? You may say it's injuries, it's illnesses, unfortunately, or you may say wear and tear if you're over 40, 50 or 60s and osteoarthritis. But another common cause of knee pain, which is often overlooked by many people, is muscle weaknesses in the knee. Those guilty muscles are quads in your thigh, hamstrings at the back of your legs, and then glutes in your buttocks. So today I'm going to explain how the relationship between three muscles and knee pain works, and more importantly, how to strengthen those muscles so that it helps reduce your knee pain and avoid further injuries. We all know there are two things which are certain in life. Death, no way you can get away. Tax, maybe you can get away if you live in Virgin Islands. But there's one more to add to that list. It's a muscle loss. Over a decade, between the ages of 30 and 40, your muscle mass decreased on average at a rate of 35%. In the following decade, when you turn 40, which is my case, that loss accelerates to almost 8%. That's almost 1% every year. That's a lot. Now, that gets worse. After 70, the rate doubles. Have you ever noticed your knee suddenly start making cracking sound, feeling weak, or even experiencing pain? You may wonder your knee problem came out of nowhere. But the chances are it could be caused by the long hours you spent sitting down. I'm going to show how this will happen. To demonstrate, I need a chair. Here you go. You got a perfect chair to demonstrate. Is there for me? So I'm going to grab the chair right. It's meant to be to show you something today. This is a neutral position. Your glutes, your hamstring, your quads. You walk, you sometimes stretch, but it's temporary, and then come back to neutral position. When you sit, suddenly the glutes, hamstrings become elongated. Now you stay there because you're busy working away on computer, 2-3 hours, easy, and repeat every day over a period of time. Those elongated glutes, hamstrings become weak. That's not all. Look at what's happening the quad muscle on your thigh. Now they are contracted, shortened. Again, over time, they become weak. That's why lots of knee problems, you may not know the cause, often caused by long hours sitting. So make sure you break up your sitting cycles. Get up every 20 minutes, just even for a couple of seconds, and sit down. It makes a huge difference. So those three muscles, quads and glutes, hamstrings, those muscles, in fact, actually act as a natural scaffolding muscles for the knee. Gives us support and crucial for its integrity. So when you jump or run, that put a lot of pressure on your knee. Some of that pressure is absorbed by the knee scaffolding muscles, and the rest is absorbed by the knee joint itself. When those scaffolding muscles become weak, the scaffolding muscles won't be able to absorb its share of the pressure. Instead, the knee joint has to pick up the slack. It needs to work harder. As a result, structures in the knee, like ligament, medial lateral, cruciate ligament, even two cartilages inside the knee, they are under stress, likely to get damaged, over time suffer from wear and tear, osteoarthritis. So that's bad news. The good news is we can in fact strengthen those scaffolding muscles pretty fast with a few simple exercises. So first, quad strengthening exercise, straight leg raise. So you comfortably lie down, keep your body straight. Now let's start with the left leg. So pull your toe slightly up, knees down, flat. Raise your leg up to 30 degrees. Hold a couple of seconds and slowly drop it back down again. Again, keep the toes slightly pulled. Raise up to 30 degrees. There's a study that analyzed more than 2,000 people, clearly showing strengthening the quad muscles in your knee reduced knee pain. While you raise the leg, your also core abdominal muscles get tight. So those two muscles work nicely together. You repeat 2-3 sets, 15 to 20 times on each leg. You may want to do this one inside in your home, nice and comfy place. The second exercise is called bridging. Strengthening both your glutes, hamstring together. So kill two birds with one stone. Don't kill the bird, by the way. So you lie down, prop up your two knees. Shoulder width apart, tighten your buttock. And at the same time, you pull in your core abdomen. Then you lift your body up. Hold a couple of seconds and slowly drop down. Again, tighten your buttock, abdomen pulled in. Keep your body straight line to the knee and down. Make sure you don't overarch your back, which can put strain on your low back instead of working your glutes. So you do this exercise regularly, couple of months, not just you're becoming strong, but you're going to have a buttocks of steel.